how to set Waze as your default navigation app on Android. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. Open up your device's settings, and from here, scroll down, go over to the Apps section, tap on Apps or Applications depending on your device, and from here you may scroll down and look for Waze, or you may also even use the search bar if you can't find it like this. So head over to Waze app, and when you tap on it, these opens up, and in the section you should be finding an option called Defaults. Tap on this Set as Default, and when you go ahead and do this, tap on this Open Supported Links. You may just go ahead and tap on this and enable, and there you should be finding supported web address option. Tap on it, and from here, if you open up this map, you may just go ahead and turn on this maps.google.com and assistant maps.google.com. And once you do that, whenever you try to access your maps using Google or anything, it will directly open up on Waze as a navigation app on your Android device. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.